What is up, vlog friends? It's been a minute. It has been a big old minute, but we are back with the moto vlogs. I'm getting up right now. Kind of a later start than I would have preferred. I think we're gonna go with the rose tea. Actually, I need an undershirt. But yeah, we're gonna go cruise over to Lake Elsinore MX today. Get some motos in. Haven't been riding recently. But you know what? It's time to start riding again. I got a couple races coming up soon too. I only got about 2 weeks to get ready for that amateur day before the pros at Paula. But yeah, I'm gonna try to figure out. I think I'm gonna run some swim shorts today so I can come home and jump in my pool. That's definitely gonna be the move after today. But yeah, we're gonna get out there, have some fun, do some motos, not take it too serious because that makes it boring. So yeah, I will catch you guys in a minute. I'm gonna get ready, gonna make some breakfast, make sure the good old motorcycle is ready. Yeah. Well, hello there. Oh, hello there. What's up, buddy? Hey, come here. Come here. You got anything to say? Just some sniffs? Just some sniffs? Okay, I'll let you outside. Okay. Good boy. Alright, I don't even have anything to talk about. I'm bad at this vlogging stuff, but I'll get better. Trust me. Trust me. Let's see what we got. I think we're gonna go with the... You can see which one I like better. We're gonna go with this guy. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm on the road to Loretta's. I don't eat Chick-fil-A. Alright. I can't find the scooper. Ooh, there she is. She's a bit covered in dust. In California right now, this stuff is a need. On top of the about a gallon of water that I'm gonna drink today. But sorry, baby, I'm just really trying to feel myself. What are we thinking? Should we go firefighter gear? Don't got too much selection right now. I think we're gonna go firefighter gear. Seems to be a tradition at Lake Elsinore to be 110 degrees every time I ride here. So, let's do it. Wait a minute, I can't forget these guys. Got a zipper up and everything. Come on, high maintenance bags. Oh, Gio, hit me up with a sponsorship. That'd be tight. I just need logos to put on my bike, you know? I don't even really need a discount code or anything. She's looking good. She's got a freshie motor. All vapor blasted, looks brand new. Pretty sweet if you ask me. Alright guys, I'll catch you when we're all loaded up and ready to go. Alright, we're all loaded up. Gonna head out here in a bit. I'm gonna chill. Hang out with the good old dog. I'm in no rush to get out of here, to be honest. So I think I'm just gonna pack the van back in and go watch some YouTube. Maybe watch a good old troll train vlog. I think that's the move. What is up, Lake Elsinore Motorsports track? Dang, son. Dang, son, look at this dirt. Sheesh. Oh yeah, GoPro videos are gonna be sick. So guys, I just got back from a couple practice laps, getting all warmed up and stuff. I am getting arm pumped so bad, but you know what, my bike feels great. I'm just happy to be back at the track, out of my room. I gotta come over here and make some adjustments to my suspension, but yeah, look at all this, holy crap. Yeah, the bike's looking great. I'm feeling good. I'm gonna throw on the GoPro here in a minute after I get all situated. And yeah, after I ride, I'm gonna get some clips of the pros riding for y'all. That'd be sick.
Yeah! Holy shit!
Yo, got the Boy Culture Films out here.
How we doing? How we doing?
Hey, how you liking the track?
Dude, right now the faces are prime.
They're prime?
Prime for Cincy.
Hey, how do you like those corners?
Dude, right now they're feeling it good, but we got the pros out here blowing them out. Like we can't keep up.
Yeah.
Pros.
So listen. We got a brand new tiller last night, actually. We were out here yesterday prepping, and we're actually 12 inches deeper than we were before. So it's insanely good today. Like, we've never had ruts or bumps like this.
12 inches?
Yeah, 12 inches.
Difference.
Can you tell the difference on the ruts and the bumps?
But yeah, I landed off of like the back and almost went over the bar. So yeah.
I know what you're talking about after the boom booter.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's real choppy.
Just land on the gas, hold it wide.
Yes, sir. All right, let's hop on the bikes and get some GoPro footy. everyone how to do some runs real quick? Ah, false neutral. So that's a wrap. You guys saw the GoPro footy. Pretty good day. Bike looks all beat up. Pretty sick. Beachburg.
Yeah, I got in it.